Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making easy chicken pot pie. Alright, I'm starting out here in a large skillet I've preheating, and I have a 12-ounce bag of frozen peas and carrots. I'm going to get them in there and let them saute for a few minutes to start to thaw and heat through a little bit. And while I do that, I have 3 chicken breasts here. I put them in a 400-degree oven. Sprinkle a little bit of McCormick's sea salt, black pepper, and garlic seasoning on there. If you don't have that, a little salt, pepper, and granulated garlic or garlic powder will work. Now I'm going to go ahead and get my chicken cut up into bite-sized pieces while I'm waiting for my peas and carrots to start to heat up. Turn it up a little higher. And if your chicken breasts are a little bigger, you might have to give them 25 minutes. 165. Right now that my peas and carrots have heated through and my chicken's all cut up into bite-sized pieces, I have 2 family-sized cans of cream of chicken soup. These are 26 ounces. I turn my heat down. I'm going to get those in there. I'm going to add in that chicken. And I'm going to turn my heat off at this point. I'm going to go ahead and stir this around, get everything nice and blended together. Now if you wanted to, you could also add in some frozen diced potatoes with your peas and carrots when you put them in. And I just chose not to do that today. Now I'm going to season this. I'm just using the normal McCormick's Himalayan pink sea salt, black pepper, and garlic. If you don't have that, a little salt, pepper, and granulator or garlic powder will work. And I'm putting in about a teaspoon. You can see this is nice and hot. And this is going to go in the oven. We're just heating this soup mix through to give it a head start. Alright, now I have a can of refrigerated jumbo biscuits. I'm going to get these opened up, and they popped up. You can knock them off of something. And I'm going to go ahead and line them around on top of our skillet. Now you could also do this in a skillet and transfer it to a greased 9x13 baking pan if you don't want to do it in your skillet. But since this skillet will do fine in the oven, this is no problem at all. And you just want to position them to get them all in there. Now I'm going to put this in that 400-degree oven that I cooked the chicken in for 12 to 15 minutes uncovered, so those biscuits rise and turn golden brown. Alright, this just came out of the oven. It went for 15 minutes. You can see how nice and golden brown the biscuits are. This is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. You could probably get by with 1 can of cream of chicken soup if you liked, but 2 will give you extra dipping for your biscuit. I'm going to start with a piece of chicken here with some of the vegetables. Creamy, well seasoned. You get them peas and carrots, and with that chicken and the cream of chicken soup, you get that classic chicken pot pie flavor. Now we'll try some biscuit. Light, fluffy, crispy on the outside. Guys, that's really delicious. Wasn't hard at all, and that big pan will feed a big family. Alright, there you have it. Easy chicken pot pie. Thanks for watching and supporting me. I really appreciate it. And remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.